Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. In this video, we're going to install CentOS on VirtualBox. But before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Let's start. At first, I will download VirtualBox. Search Download VirtualBox in google.com. Open Oracle website. Click on Windows Installer to download VirtualBox for Windows. Click on Downloaded File. Yes. Next. Select all, then click on Next. You got the warning about the network interface? Because I connected to this PC via remote desktop connection, my connection may have dropped. Click OK Yes. Click on Yes to install dependencies. Install. Finish. VirtualBox installation finished. Click on Machine, then New to create a new virtual machine. Write the name of virtual machine. You can select ISO image to install CentOS from here, but I don't have this ISO file. I am going to download CentOS ISO file. Select x86 C.64. This is depend on your processor architecture. Open one of these repositories if you want to install CentOS as server. That's better to download and install. Minimal version. Okay, download completed. Let's select downloaded ISO file as a ISO image. Open Downloads folder. Next, you can skip or fill in this information. That depends on you. Next, set the CPU and memory for this virtual machine. Next, set the hard disk size for this virtual machine. Next. Finish. My virtual machine is ready. Click on Start to Power on this virtual machine. Click on VM to open console. Because I want to boot this VM from ISO, set the downloaded ISO file for DVD, click on Mount and Reboot. OK, CentOS installer is ready. Select Install CentOS 7, then press Enter. Select your language and click on Continue. Select your time zone and click on Done. Select your installation destination. Don't touch anything, just click on Done. Everything will be configured automatically. You can configure network configuration from here. Write your host name and click on Apply. To set the IP address, click on Configure. Click on IPv4 settings. From the method, you can set the IP assignment method. I will use DHCP on my network interface. Save. Turn on the network interface. OK, I got the IP address from DHCP server. Click on Done to save configuration and back to the main menu. Click on Begin installation to start installation. Set the root password. Because I use a simple password, I have clicked twice on Done. OK, setup completed. Click on Reboot to restart server. My CentOS server is ready to use. Let's check internet connectivity. Before using the server, don't forget to update the server by using yum update command. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it informative, and if you did, Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts or any questions you might have. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, there's a good chance your friends and family will too, so don't hesitate to share it with them. Sharing is caring.